In this video, I'm going to show you how you can convert BNB to Ethereum in Coinbase wallet. Now, first thing you need to do is open up your Coinbase wallet, and then you have to click on this swap option from the top of your screen. Then on the screen, first you have to select BNB network. So just click on this area right top of your screen, and then it's going to display list of networks. From here, you have to select BNB. Now on the screen, you first have to click on this from section, and from the list of cryptocurrencies, select BNB. After that, you have to click on this to section, and then you have to select the Ethereum from here. You can also use the search bar to search for Ethereum. Then you just have to enter the amount, how much you want to convert, and then click on this find the best price button at the bottom of your screen. Then it's going to ask you to confirm it. So just confirm the amount, and you can also change the slippage tolerance from here, and you will also find the network fee, how much you have to pay for the network fee. Now once you confirm this, you need to click on this swap button, and that's it. Your BNB will be converted to Ethereum. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.